Hey guys, we are here again to continue our journey. In last video, we are reached to our destination, that is Sindhudurga Fort. Obviously, I will not let you miss that journey and cinematic shots. So I'm dropping link of previous video in description box. So if you have not watched that video, please watch it and then you will get some idea about journey and beautiful nature. So let's get started and enjoy the journey. The main entrance of Sindhudurga Fort. Main entrance is shaped as Gomukhi, meaning cow's mouth shaped. So it is concealed in such a way that no one can directly pinpoint from outside. Walking toward the fort, we have Hanumanji's temple at main entrance. You can get a guide who will help you with historical and architectural part of the fort. Sindhudurga Fort is an historical fort that occupies an island in the Arabian Sea just off the west coast of Maharashtra, which is situated on the shores of Malvan town of Sindhudurga district in Konkan region of Maharashtra. The distance from Mumbai is 450 km. Sindhudurga Fort was built by great Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in the 17th century. Construction of fort was supervised by Swaraj's chief architect Hiroji Indulkar in 1664 on island known as Khorde Island. After some walking, we reached to the Shivrajeshwar temple. In Shivrajeshwar temple, there is idol of Shivrajeshwar, that is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, dressed in Kholi form. Old temples, remains of broken settlement, subways, secret doorways, all these instantly transport back us in history. The fort has several sweet water wells, Dahi Bhav, Doodh Bhav, Sakar Bhav. To climb up the fortification elegantly, stone steps are built. Over 4,000 pounds of leads were used in casting of foundation stones, were firmly laid down till now. It's spread over 48 acres with 3 km long rampart, and the walls are 30 feet high and 12 feet thick. These massive walls were designed to deter to approaching enemies and to waves and tides of the Arabian Sea. These towers narrate the Maratha bravery tales to the frothy waves. Ahead, a brave heart like Kanoji Angre ascend to guard the seas. The hand and footprints of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj are still shown on the fort.